Environmental law and human rights are closely intertwined. Often, fighting for one leads to fighting for the other. Such was the case for Surachai and Supaporn from Enlaw in Thailand. Surachai and Supaporn were working for a human rights law firm when they were assigned an interesting case. Several dozen community activists had been protesting against the coal power plant. Many of them were charged by the police for trespassing and disorderly conduct. Some were facing years of jail time. As a result, they formed Enlaw in 2001, one of Thailand's first organizations dedicated to empowering marginalized communities, protecting their environmental rights through litigation and advocacy. In 2003, Enlaw took on the case of Klity Creek, which would become a landmark environmental case. Since the 1960s, toxic runoff from a local mining operation was polluting the creek, leading to rising cases of lead poisoning among the residents. With no funds for legal assistance, the villagers were powerless against the continuing industrial pollution. With support from Enlaw, the Lawyers Council of Thailand, and other legal rights groups, the villagers filed and won 3 cases, including a landmark win at the Supreme Court. The rulings included compensation for more than 150 affected villagers and a restoration of the creek. The Klity Creek case also set a precedent for court-ordered cleanups of industrial and mining toxic waste sites. This is just one of the stories of the many environmental law champions across Asia who are fighting and winning battles for people and the environment. These champions are making positive changes that will echo for generations. Join us in this movement as we work to develop and support the environmental law champions of tomorrow.